everyone. Today, let us all learn about the interesting tricks of counting figures. It will be a real fun with learning maths as these figures will blow your minds and the questions will surely get our brains working. So, let us begin. Wow! Seems interesting. Yes, Akshu. Let's try solving this first question. We have one single triangle here. As we look at another figure, we have two partitions in this triangle. So, 1 plus 2 equals to 3 triangles in total. But what are the number of triangles in this one? We have 1, 2, 3 and 4 partitions. We can add all these numbers together. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 will give us 10 triangles. We can also use the formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Taking 4 as the number of partitions and multiplying it with its successor 5. 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 will give us 10 triangles in this figure. Okay, so let me solve this one now. There are 6 triangles in this one big triangle. So 6 into 7 divided by 2, it will give us 21 triangles. Wonderful effort, Akshu. Now let's move forward with another trick. In this triangle, we need to focus on the base angles formed. In the first triangle, there are 2 base angles forming. In the second one, 2 base angles. And in the third one, there are 6 base angles forming. So we'll add all of these together. 1 plus 2, 3 triangles. 2 plus 1, 3 triangles. And 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 21 triangles. We'll add all the values together. 3 plus 3 plus 21. We'll get 27 triangles in this figure. I'm a bit confused, Shija. Could you please explain this one again? Sure. Look here. In this figure, we have 3 divisions. So in the first base, 1 and 2 triangles. In this one, again 1 and 2 triangles. And in this base, again 1 and 2 triangles. Thus, we'll add the values together. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3 triangles in first base. 1 plus 2, 3 in the second one, and 1 plus 2, 3 in the last one. We'll add all the numbers. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 9 triangles in total. Oh, I got it. Now let me solve this one. We have 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We'll have 15 triangles in total. Good job, Akshu. Let's see another one. Here we have got a square and it's divided into 4 triangles. So we'll multiply 4 with 2. We'll get 8 triangles. Let's see a similar example. In this one, we'll have 8 triangles. So we'll multiply 8 by 2. So we'll get 16 triangles in total. Okay, so let's make this figure a bit tricky. We have added a square in between. So we'll count the outer triangles first, that are 8 in number, and then the inner triangles, that are also 8. In the first one, we'll multiply 8 by 2. We'll get 16, and again 8 by 2, 16. We'll add 16 and 16, 32 triangles in total. Oh, I got it. I wish to solve this one. Outer triangles are 16 in number, and the inner triangles too are 16. So 16 into 2 is 32. We'll do it twice. Add 32 and 32. We'll get 64 triangles in total. Excellent! Let's learn some more new tricks. In this triangle, we'll have to concentrate on the number of horizontal lines. The horizontal lines are 4. So the number of triangles will also be 4. Similarly, in this one, the number of horizontal lines is 6. So, the total number of triangles will also be 6. I find these tricks quite fascinating, Jija. Yes, Akshu. Let's see this figure. There is one embedded triangle inside the other triangle. So, we will use the formula 4n plus 1, in which n is the number of embedded triangles. Number of embedded triangles is 1. So, we'll multiply 4 into 1 plus 1. We'll get the answer 5 triangles. Let's check the trick with a more complex figure. In this figure, there are 2 embedded triangles. So we'll use the formula. We'll multiply 4 with 2 plus 1, that will give us 9 triangles in total. We have made this figure a bit more challenging. We had 9 triangles earlier, but now each darkened line represents 2 more new triangles. So there are 3 darkened lines, therefore 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 6 triangles. Thus 9 plus 6 equals to 15 triangles in total. In this triangle, the number of triangles on each side is 3. So n is equals to 3. We'll apply the formula n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 divided by 8. So 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 8, which is equal to 13.125. But we have to consider only the integer part from the answer. Therefore, we'll have 13 triangles in this figure. Similarly, in this figure, the number of triangles on each side is 5. N equals to 5, so we'll substitute the value of 5 in the formula. 5 into 5 plus 2 into 2 into 5 plus 1 divided by 8. We get the answer 48.125, but we only consider 48 triangles. Both Jija and Akshu are really happy.